Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Saber in Anime Vanguards. Saber is a highly sought-after mythical unit, known for her immense power and versatility in the game. To begin, focus on her initial placement to maximize her early-game impact. She excels at controlling enemy waves and dealing significant damage right from the start. Mastering her basic deployment is crucial for setting up a strong defense and progressing through challenging stages with ease. Next, let's discuss evolving Saber to unlock her true potential. You'll need to craft the Avalon item, which is essential for her evolution. This process transforms her into more powerful versions, such as Saber AWE and Saber Alter. Evolving your Saber unit significantly increases your chances of obtaining these rare and potent alternate forms, making her an even more formidable asset on your team. This step is vital for advanced gameplay. To acquire the highly coveted Saber Alter, engage in specific boss events. The AWE boss appears at waves 15 and 25. During these waves, strategically place your Saber units directly next to the AWE boss. This action will trigger their transformation into Saber AWE. This critical step provides a valuable chance to obtain the incredibly rare and powerful Saber Alter unit, a game changer for any team. Finally, let's explore advanced tactics for Saber Alter. She boasts devastating area of effect attacks and significant damage buffs, notably her Excalibur ability. Furthermore, Saber Alter is immune to stun and reduces status ailment durations by an impressive 75%. Remember, strategic placement is paramount. Position her carefully to maximize her offensive output while ensuring she doesn't inadvertently debuff other crucial units on your team. Master these tactics for ultimate success.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.